Former President Donald Trump is now facing mounting threats on multiple fronts. 1 week after he was arrested here in New York, Trump was back in Manhattan for a deposition today with the New York Attorney General Letitia James as part of her investigation into his business. He is also trying to get his trial for his sexual assault and defamation postponed. Meanwhile, in Georgia, the Fulton County District Attorney is currently weighing charges over Trump's push to throw out the 2020 election results there. And in Washington, there are new signs that the special counsel's probe into January 6th and Trump's handling of classified documents is ramping up. Back with me now to discuss all of this is Trump's former Attorney General, Bill Barr. And welcome back. I do want to ask you, though, about the latest legal move we've seen from your former boss, which is filing a lawsuit against his former attorney, Michael Cohen, to the tune of $500 million in damages, saying that he allegedly breached his contract. Do you think there's any merit to that lawsuit?
I mean, all I've seen is newspaper reports on it. I didn't see what the substance, I didn't detect any real substance to the lawsuit. So
when I was thinking about this today, I was reminded of what the former U.S. Attorney General or U.S. Attorney in the Southern District of New York, Jeff Berman, wrote about you in his book. He said that you tried to kill investigations into this when it came to Michael Cohen. He said when Barr took over in February 2019, he not only tried to kill the ongoing investigations, but incredibly suggested that Cohen's conviction on campaign finance charges be reversed. Is that true?
well, first, he pled guilty before I arrived at the Department of Justice, and I didn't kill any investigation. But I think people did come to the conclusion that even assuming the facts about Trump were correct, that it would not have constituted an illegal political campaign contribution. But I didn't try to kill any investigation. And in fact, I was gone from the Department of Justice now for 2 years. It's under the Biden administration. If they thought that there was something there, they were free to bring it. They were also free to, to raise it with me, and no one ever did. Pursuing a case.
Did you suggest that Cohen's conviction on campaign finance charges be reversed?
No, he pled guilty. I felt the plea should stand.
I want to move on to the other investigations because today we also saw one of your former colleagues, the former Director of National Intelligence, John Ratcliffe, go and testify before the grand jury in D.C. that's investigating, of course, Trump's actions on January 6th. You've said that you believe your former boss has dug himself a hole when it comes to this investigation and the documents investigation. What do you mean by that when it comes to the January 6th one?
No, what I was saying was, I try to call them as I see them, and there's some cases or some legal proceedings that I think have been unjust and unfair to Trump, including the Russiagate episode and the New York cases, both the civil case and the latest criminal case. I don't think they have any substance, and I think they're brought for political reasons. But that doesn't mean everything that Trump does, he's a victim on. And I said he's frequently his own worst enemy, and he digs himself holes, and he does some things that are reckless that are clearly going to give rise to investigations and look into them. And that included both the documents in Mar-a-Lago and the January 6th episode and the events after December 14th and trying to reverse the election when all the states had certified their votes.
Do you think Pence's testimony could potentially be damaging to Trump or game-changing for that investigation?
Obviously, they have fought hard to get the testimony of people who were in direct contact with Trump, and potentially their information, their evidence can be crucial to making a case if there is one to be made. I've been a little skeptical about them able to establish a case on January 6th, but I don't know all the facts. I've said all along I think the more significant case, or the one that appears to me to be most threatening, are the Mar-a-Lago document case.
Why do you think that one's more threatening to him?
Because, when it first came out that he had the documents, a lot of people sort of immediately ran and said, why didn't the government seek him, talk to him about it? Why didn't the government subpoena it? Why did they have the raid and so forth, or the search? And it turns out, as I suggested, that they jawboned him for a year and a half. They did subpoena him. And I think the real question there is not whether he kept the documents and had them in Mar-a-Lago so much as once this was raised with him and it was clear that he was being asked to return the documents as the government's property, that games were played for quite a long time, and I think that that exposes him.
Do you think
And yeah,
do you think he can be charged on obstruction only here, or does there need to be an underlying crime in your view?
uh, I think in this case the underlying offense was his having these documents, which he shouldn't have had, and he was subpoenaed. And if he doesn't provide them and hides them from the government, there's both an underlying offense and there's the offense of obstruction. But the thing that I think actually brings this, that raises this and makes it a more significant threat is the obstruction aspect of it.
And so do you,
I'm not saying, I just think there's a high risk here. And just based on the government's conduct here, I suspect that they have some evidence of that they would consider to be strong evidence of obstruction. And that's why I feel that this is probably the most threatening case.
what do you mean by that based on what the government's doing here? Do you mean because of how aggressively Jack Smith's investigation is progressing, the fact that he was able to talk to Evan Corcoran, one of Trump's defense attorneys, without the shield of attorney-client privilege? What is it that makes you realize that it might be a serious case for your former boss?
Well, they did, they did puncture the attorney-client privilege, as you said, through the so-called crime fraud, establishing before the judge the crime fraud exception, which was to say there was probable cause that there was evidence of a crime here. So that and just the things I read in the newspaper make me feel that there's probably a likelihood that they have people who have cooperated with the government and may be able to establish that he well knew he had not delivered all the documents back to the government.
It's a pretty extraordinary case if they do move forward with it. If you were the attorney general, do you think you could feel comfortable moving forward with indicting a former president?
Well, I think that this is the kind of case that requires a lot of discretion, prosecutorial discretion. And one of the things that I think is appropriate to consider is, what will this do to the body politic, the precedent it sets, and having to deal with the question of uneven justice. People will point to Hillary Clinton and so forth, and those are legitimate points to consider. And I'm not paid the big bucks to make that call right now, so I'm not going to offer my views on it. But one of the things I've said is that the appointment of Jack Smith makes me feel that they have decided not to, that if the facts are there to sustain a case, that it's a supportable case that would ordinarily be indicted, that they've made the decision to indict it, and that they're not going to tank the case because of these discretionary considerations. That was my view before they found President Biden had taken some documents and Vice President Pence, and that complicates things. So, we'll see where it falls out. But again, I do think that that's the most serious thing facing the former president.
And you see the distinction because obviously the obstruction factor is what's at play with Trump's situation. That's not something that's been brought up when it comes to Biden or when it comes to Pence. I do want to ask you, because Trump's not just facing these investigations. Obviously, he's facing the one here in New York, maybe an indictment in Georgia. Do you believe that presidents and former presidents should be categorically immune from being prosecuted by these elected state and local prosecutors? What's your sense of that?
Well, obviously, they're not categorically immune from it. I mean, if a former president goes out and commits a crime in a particular state, a clear crime, then they're not immune from prosecution simply because they're the former president. But this is something that really is completely hanging on a federal law, a federal offense. And this is a local prosecutor who doesn't have jurisdiction over the federal offense. And he's basically premising on this is that the president violated a federal law. But the president would be entitled to have that determined by a federal court and a federal jury. And so that's the problem here, is that he's, for I think clearly partisan reasons, he's dredged up this offense and is trying to bootstrap it into a felony and go after the president with it. And the federal government has never pursued this. Either when I was in office, they never brought it to me as a potential case against the president. And after I left, it hasn't been raised as a potential offense. So if the federal government is
But
not
wouldn't that
putting-
be because if he's a sitting president, the idea that he couldn't be indicted?
No, I said after I left. So after the president left office, no one has, as far as I'm aware, the Department of Justice has not pursued this case. Because the problem with the case, technically, is that the payment of hush money is not a campaign contribution. It's a payment of a personal expense, and the issue then becomes whether it would have been made irrespective of the campaign, and that would be very tough to show here. So I don't think it is a federal offense.